Okay. I said I'd work on it again today. I didn't let you watch what I did. As you see, since I got a good charge on my battery, lights ain't going dim, flickering. That was yesterday. The bolt right here on the back seat slipped out. I had to get under the fender, a nut on it. And then my flaker was sticking. This little button right here, don't use Vaseline or nothing, because it'll soften up the plastic that's on it. As you see, it's working. All you do is push it, it goes back in place. I'll show you what I use in a minute. Then my brake light, my front brake light, I took this little switch off under here. What the hell? Alright, where you at? Right there. Right there. One little screw. Clean the contacts. If you got to take it apart, you can do that. There's a video, I've seen it on YouTube. But, brake light. Pretty much important. I mean, you can use your back brake light. I mean, you know your front ain't working. I kind of like that bow. But here's what I believe in using on the motorcycle a lot. Chain and everything. White lithium grease. Like I said, don't use Vaseline or WD-40 or none of that. Use this anywhere on that motorcycle I have. It works good. It works on the chain too. So, right now I got a good sounding motorcycle. Lights ain't messing up nowhere. So I'm taking it around the block. That's all I'm gonna do is take it around the block. Later, Gator.